Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301602, and this is a 2026 GMC Canyon AT4, and our color is Summit White. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat, power driver seat with lumbar support. Got our interior lighting control, trailer brake. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free stereo remote controls, and heat. We are satellite radio ready, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Master window button, auto start stop, lane keep assist, USB ports, a cell phone charger, automatic transmission, 4x4 controls, parking brake. We are also OnStar ready. Got our sunroof controls and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, a couple USB ports for your rear passengers as well. And onto our exterior, we've got the running boards, 18-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, over truck box space, All right, that's stock number 301602. You've just checked out the Summit White 2026 GMC Canyon AT4. Thanks for watching.